What's going on, people? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. It's been a while I've done something new. Lately, I've been doing a lot of fragrance reviews, and just so you want to know what I'm wearing today as a fragrance, I'm using the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. Today, I'm going to talk about a watch that I've recently acquired, and many of my friends have requested that I display the watches that I have in my collection. Although, those are not super premium watches like Rolexes or Rados or Omegas or Hublots. It's not like that, but whatever I have, I'll be happy to display them for you. Thank you for my friends for that feedback that apart from my fragrance collection, you want to see something else that I have in my collection as well. The watch in today's topic is none other than a G-Shock watch, and more specifically, it's the G-Shock GA2100 SKE 7 ACR model. That's a long one. Forget about that. This particular watch is resembled as in the community as G-Shock Oak or Cassie Oak. Why? Because this watch very much resembles the Royal Oak watch model from Audemars Piguet. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's a super expensive and craftsmanship and a lot of details going into that watch. It's a fantastic watch. I have had the opportunity to have a look at it at a local mall, and I did fall in love with it, but the price tag is way too high. I guess they start from above 30 or 35,000 US dollars, go all the way up to 98 or 99,000 per watch, depending on the configuration and what you buy. So let's not delay anymore. Let's get down to business. So this is not an unboxing video. This is just a very simple, I would say it's like more like a showing video that this is the watch. If you're planning to buy one, like if you're confused, I'm gonna help you out. Maybe this video will help you out. So as a standard these days, this is the box that G-Shock watches come in, particularly this model, the GA2100 series. It's looks like a rugged kind of finish, but it's a smooth one. All your barcode, everything is written here. And once you open the box, this is 100% recyclable material. Good job on that, G-Shock. So once you open it, there's a small holder here. So this is kind of like a card that you can fold and display your watch. You can put it on displays. This is your manual. So this is module 5611. That's your warranty card. And by the way, I bought this watch from G-Shock website, and just so you know, this is a very, very elusive watch. It stays out of stock 99% of the time. If you're really, really lucky, you will get this watch. And if you do, guys, I'm telling you, or girls, if you love this watch, I mean, of course, like there's a feminine version of this watch too, but I don't think like if you don't have like too lean of a wrist, you can surely pull it off, girls also. So this watch cost me 110 US dollars, and this was purchased from the original authentic G-Shock website. Inside the hood, you get a hexagonal kind of tin can box. So nothing special. It's the same texture and print like the box itself. Let me put the box away. And once you open it, this is how the watch comes in. And sometimes, there's a foam padding inside. Sometimes you don't get it. I mean, it completely depends how it's shipped, but the watch is fairly nicely protected once it's shipped out. Let's look at this beauty. I was really skeptical about this watch. Like before I bought it, I was like, although I get it, like it's an elusive watch, almost like a limited edition watch, and I was like, it's just plastic, it's transparent. It might look too funky on my wrist. Guess what? Moment I got it, my thoughts, my sight, my knowledge, everything just, it just flipped. It just flipped. Let me show you the watch. Ta-da! So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the skeleton version. I think this is a limited edition. I'm not too much of a G-Shock fan, so this is my first G-Shock in my collection, so I don't know all too much about this. There are experts out there. Please go ahead and refer to their reviews. I'm just showing you the watch. If you will notice, like, it's a digital analog watch. There's a small digital window here that displays your time and your the seconds right there. Let me see if I can show you. Right there, you can see the time and the seconds are shown there. The date can also be displayed over there, and on the chrono, I would say you get the day, which day of the week, and that's your time. It's a lovely watch. So this watch comes at 200 meters water resistance. Fantastic. Go swimming, go take a dive, take it in the shower. No issues, man. No problem. You know, G-Shock is built to last. They're built for power use. And it has a mineral glass. It's shock resistant, and this thing's got a carbon core. Let me just take off this thing and show you. You see, like, there's a black border outside. Probably that's the carbon core. That means it's very much tough. It's built tough. It's very much shock resistant. So if you drop it, I don't want to drop it because it was a fight, almost like a fight getting this in my hands. So I don't want to, ruin this watch. But just so you know, like, this is built tough. In case you're going outdoors, you're fighting with nature, you're climbing or doing something, you're swimming, this thing is built tough. It's supposed to withstand all that pressure, all that shocks, right? So this watch comes with a diameter of 45.4 millimeters. And as you can see, it's all clear resin. And just so you know, this thing is very, very comfortable. I was extremely skeptical of this watch. I was like, looks plasticky, might be cheap. I don't know how it's gonna feel on my wrist, because, like, forget the fashion statement part, forget about the lifestyle part, but if you don't feel comfortable putting something on your wrist, on your body, if it feels, squeaky and all those things, like, it's not worth it, guys. You buy a $5,000 watch, it doesn't feel comfortable on your wrist, you don't feel like wearing it. It's probably gonna sit and gather dust. So let me take off the watch that I am wearing now. If you want to have a look, this is the Heriter Morrison. Fantastic watch, very premium quality, and it's an automatic. No headaches with battery changes. So let me measure out my wrist for you guys so that you know, like, you get an idea what kind of wrist size and how it looks on the wrist. So my wrist size, as you can see, is roughly 7 inches. As you can see, 7 inches wrist, 45.4 millimeter watch. And I'm going to show you a couple more details. Let me just put it on. There you go, guys. This is how it looks like on a 7-inch wrist. A watch that is 45.4 millimeter wide on the diameter. And you can always check out the specs on the website. I'll leave a link below. So yeah, looks beautiful. I'm telling you, I just fell in love with this watch to the extent that I bought 2 more, which I'm gonna show in my later videos. So just stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe, guys. I need that support. You don't want to miss episodes from this channel, right? So I'm gonna finish off this video with a couple more details. Just so you know, like, there are a lot of fakes, G-Shock fakes out there. If you don't want to get caught off guard and, like, you paid premium price, like, in some places they might sell. It's because I got it for $110 price tag, because I got it from the authentic website. Sometimes eBay or some other places, even Amazon, has it for sale for like $130 to $160, depending on the season, like if they don't have in stock, if they're low on stock. But you can understand the value of this watch, how much it's demanded, what's the demand for this particular watch. People will love it, people want it, and they don't get it because it's limited in supply. So guys, if you're paying top dollar for this, Please watch out for the source because there are a lot of fakes. They're very close fakes, and just so you know, let me show you. If you will notice very closely, all the numbers, the digits, everything is gonna be super sharp print. Nothing, anything that does not look sharp, looks slightly off, don't buy it. Please don't buy it. You're paying your top dollar, your top money for this watch you really want, and you don't want a fake for this. And how do you detect a fake? If you will see over here, it says Casio Thailand. Probably the fake will not have this. Fake one will say Casio something. And over here at the back, as you can see, these are the details, and there's a serial number. That's a unique code that you have at the bottom, and this is what the bottom, I mean the case back, looks like. So overall, guys, oh, and just a small thing, let me show you the light. It's got an LED, so the whole watch illuminates, and the small screen, that one illuminates too. Let me just switch off my main light so that I can show you what the watch LED looks like. The tiny little screen inside, that one lights up, and the whole watch illuminates. And the arms, especially the hour and the minute, they are armed with lumes, so they will glow in the dark, but it's not one of the best. It's gonna become faint very soon, very fast. And also this thing is equipped with that LED, so that way you are in total control of the time telling part. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So this is a fantastic watch to own, and I'm telling you, like, I'll show you the other watches. This thing is a great style statement, can be rocked with even a suit or a blazer. Trust me on this one. I was really skeptical. I was like, the hell, plastic watch that's transparent? Probably a jeans and t-shirt, but you can rock this with formal wear too. People will notice that. It's eye-catching. Trust me on this. So guys, that was my take on the Casio G-Shock GA2100 SKE 7 ACR model. And thank you for staying with my channel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you are on the fence of purchasing one and if you're looking out for it, please keep an eye on the G-Shock website. Oftentimes they get it back in stock. Just pull the trigger when you get it. Until then, take care, guys.